a bunch of combinations that are based around the standard 4-count drill in Thai boxing. If you're an orthodox stance, we would call it right to right. Okay? If you're going to start with a rear leg kick, you're going to end with a rear leg kick. Okay? 2 punches in the middle. We're going to do this a variety of ways, though. Okay? First, we're just going to look at 2 ways to throw just the basic one. Okay? So, when you're throwing your kick first, if you're not doing it as a counter, which is a really good idea, right? I'm gonna bring my hand out like this, or like that, right? To kind of, you saw her react, right? It's kind of like a punch, right? But I'm not throwing a punch. I'm using it to disguise my leg or body kick, right? So I'm gonna come out here, kick, put cross, and I can either leave the cross here and kick again for that second disguise, right? You have to disguise your kicks, right? Or you can pull that cross back and then kick. We want to make a habit of when we kick, we want to get out of kicking distance after we finish with the kick. So these standard Thai counts start with a kick and end with a kick. When you end a combo with a kick, you need to get out of kicking range, right? You need to get out of range of them coming at you. So here we go. Rear leg, we stay tight in the middle, hook, cross, either leave it out, rear leg, or we'll watch the difference this time. So I go rear leg, hook, cross, bring it back, here. And then we're gonna start adding a slide out at the end, okay? So we're either gonna leave our cross in their face at the end of the combo to set up our kick and out, right? Or we're gonna bring our cross back and throw our kick, okay? So what's that second variation one more time? Here, come here, ooh. Hook, cross, here. So just a standard right to right, rear leg, hook, cross, rear leg, either leave it in their face and throw the last kick, or bring it back, then kick, then get out. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.